Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Guys, it's been a minute, but before we go into that, I'm going to introduce you all to this hairstyle that you guys are going to see me make in a minute. First of all, I'm moisturizing her hair, which is very essential. I went to my leave-in. Sorry, that was not leave-in. That was a hair butter that I made. Okay, I think I have a video of how to make that. I think I have a video of how to make a hair butter on this channel. But anyways, yeah, after that I brushed out her hair and now I'm sectioning it. For that, I just parted. You guys just saw me sectioning. Nothing much here, and these are the products that I'll be using for this style. Yeah, and I will go ahead to part a middle line all the way to the back. Yeah, just in the middle. And after that, I corrode this one. Okay, let me tell you guys how I did that. Like, I corrode one part of it. Like, after sectioning the middle, I part a line just like I am doing now, and I corrode one part of it, and this is the other part. So these two corals are sitting in the middle. Obviously the center pattern is still there, still at the middle. So this is like one side. I don't know if I'm making sense. Anyways, for this cornrow, this is like a feeding cornrow. Like, I am adding extension, obviously the Brazilian wool extension as I cornrow on, but not as much. I just wanted that to look bulky, even though the section head there isn't really bulky. So back to the gist I was about to give before I had to explain what I am doing. Like I said, it's been a minute, and that is because a lot has been going on. Actually, I talked about that in a live update video that I posted on my vlog channel. In case you haven't seen that video, please do check it out. Like, I feel bad for not having been consistent like I used to. Guys, I miss uploading hairstyle tutorials here, especially kiddies. I mean, we are in the season. I miss it so much. So do check out that video. I gave an update of what has been going on behind the scene, what has been going on in my life, reason why I have been less consistent. Anyways, back to the hair. You guys just saw me part out this area, this side, and I am brushing it in. So I am gonna work with I think that's 6 strands of Brazilian wool. If you have been watching my videos for a while, then you know how we do this Brazilian style, this pattern. Like, yeah, what I'm doing now, you probably are. But in case you're new here, I just use my eyeball. I just eyeball the length of the Brazilian wool. Like, I just imagine how the length of this thing would look like. Nothing dramatically long. Let's say 20 inches long is enough for this, but you won't even use all. Okay, you won't even use all. So you guys saw me braid that 6 strands onto the hair before I started trading. Yeah, I am trading with 3 strands of Brazilian wool. I braided in 6 strands and I started trading with 2 strands of the wool. I'm gonna repeat the same thing on this next one. I will braid with 6 strands of the Brazilian wool. I will braid for a bit, nothing dramatic, nothing much, just for a bit so it can have a base, and then I'll go in with the 2 strands and start trading. I'll trade to an extent, not long. That is because you guys are gonna see what I'll be doing with it, you know, after this. Okay, you don't have to braid it long because you wouldn't want that, honestly, trust me. So this length is enough for me, and I'll go in and part out the next line. For this one, we're not gonna be braiding at all. We're not gonna be braiding 6 strands of the wool to it at all. We're just gonna start trading straight up. Okay, I'm just gonna start trading with my 2 strands of the Brazilian wool. Is that 2 strands? That looks like 3 strands. Let me look at that way. See, this hairstyle I've made it a long time ago. Like, I made this hairstyle a long time ago, so I basically don't remember much of what I did here. I am seeing most of it now. I'm like, oh, I did that. Anyways, I think that is 2 strands. So you guys saw me, like, I traded for like 2 steps or 3 steps, and then I added the first one in this row to it and traded together. That is why I said you shouldn't, trade for long, because you're gonna add to an already existing one. So yeah, just watch what I'm doing. I know my explanation is like cutting it, well, just keep on watching and you'll get me better. And please, if you've watched to this point, kindly do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, guys. Kindly do me a favor and give the video a thumbs up. It helps out with the algorithm. Thank you. So that went by too fast. So currently I am working on this last one, and I would, continue with the whole processes I've been doing and trade everything out, I added both. When it comes to this last stage, you'll be left with two ends, but I added both of them to this last one. I don't know if I'm making sense, but anyways, in case you haven't understood everything I've done so far, here is another opportunity for you guys to see what I'm doing. So again, I will thread. After threading for a bit, I'll go in and add the previous, the previous one before. Oh my god, I don't know how to phrase the sentence, but not exactly the previous one before the one I'm working with, like the first one before the previous one. I know my explanation stuck, but just you'd rather see this for yourself rather than my explanation. So just keep on watching and you will understand me better. So there is something I did with this last one that I forgot to do with the other one. Okay, after brushing it in, I added the ends of the cornrow on this side to it. I forgot to do that on the other side, but I later rectified that. I rectified that and I corrected my mistake. But just in case, you have to add this cornrow to your threading. Okay, and there I just continue with the processes, with the threading process I've been doing since, if that makes sense. And yeah, just keep on watching, guys, and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you. Not Adobe touching her hair over and over to confirm how far I've gone. She kept on asking me, "Mommy, are you done? Mommy, are you done?" I can imagine. I mean, as an adult, I get bored, I get tired to an extent when I'm making my hair talk more of a kid. So yeah, finally we are done with the back side. Now it's time for the front. When I told her that we are done at the back, she was really excited, honestly. So for this front part, I'm just gonna part the middle. Okay, there, just watch this. Okay, I don't think I would want to explain this, or rather I don't have the strength, to be honest. But what I'm doing is a typical feeding. I do a lot of feeding on this channel, so there is nothing much to explain here. See, when Adobe found out that I was still gonna do something at the front, she wasn't having it. She wasn't happy at all, as you guys can tell on her face. From her facial expression, you can tell that the babe was already tired of me. She wasn't happy. She thought I was done when I finished the back, not knowing there was something more to do at the front, and she wasn't having it. But we have to do what we gotta do. Okay, we got to do what we gotta do. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this style. It's quite easy, I must say. This type of trading style that you attached, kind of chainy type of trading style, is easy. It's easy. That's why I usually go for it. Yeah, so back to the back. I'm just gonna cross it over, tie it onto the opposite side so everything can look all fly and chic. So as soon as I was done with that, I went over to the front and added beads to the feeding cornrow I did there. Okay, see, I know I've said this before, but I'm gonna say it again. This bead applicator is a lifesaver. I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I call it. Bead applicator. It is a lifesaver, honestly. And I am just burning the ends so it doesn't unravel. I went ahead to lay down the edges, and guys, we are done with this style, and it came out so pretty. just take a good look at this. Just take a good look at this. I went on ahead to accessorize it more with this gold clip, which is optional, okay? And I also went in with this bow, which is optional as well. To be honest, I don't know why I added it, because looking at this video now, watching this video now, I don't see the point of it at all. Anyways, I went in with Ado's hair oil to moisturize our scalp. If you want to get yours, go ahead to get it from colors_n_kids. Yes, guys. And guys, look at my baby girl. See how good this hairstyle looks on her. See how it complements her skin. I mean, is there any hairstyle that doesn't complement her skin? Nah, I don't think so. Anyways, it looks so beautiful. It looks so gorgeous. Will you be trying out the style? If you will, if you're gonna try it out, let me know in the comment section. Comment down below, and when you do, share on your IG story and tag me, and I'll definitely repost when I see them. And with that being said, if you've watched to this point, kindly give me a thumbs up, please, guys. Don't be stingy, okay? It helps me out a lot in ways you probably don't know. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share this video, and see you in my next one. Bye.